Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're at Midpond. It's been a while since I've been here, maybe 3 years or so. It's a cool little track. If you've never been here, it's essentially a go-kart track, but they let people do track stuff on. Since the track is pretty small and tight, I figured it'd be a little more fitting to bring the fit for it. This will be my first time driving it with the new coilovers, the Fortunatos. I did street drive it, didn't bother trailering it this time. Even though it's like 4-hour drive, the car did great. The plan is to just do a bunch of laps for a few hours. There's no competition or anything, just have fun. So this track is so bumpy that it knocked this guy loose and it was torn, so I had to re-tighten it. It's also destroyed my front tires, so I'm going to rotate them. You can see it was starting to fit a little bit. So I'm going to throw these in the back, put those in front, then take it easy the rest of the day. So how this track event's been working, we really haven't been like HPD groups or anything. We've just been getting on a line and allow like 6 at most cars on track at once. So when one car get off, another car gets on. So as long as no more than 6, you can just go out and do laps as much as you want, really. But if there's a line starting to build up, you need to get off, let somebody else go out. But I've gone out quite a few times, and the track is very, very bumpy, and the rear of the car don't like it. I'm like, the rear end's hopping across some of these corners. I also think my rear spring rate is too stiff. I definitely need to drop the rear spring rate, which I was planning on doing anyway. And what else? Yeah, it's also destroying my front tires, so I definitely need 2 new fronts. Apparently what we're about to do next, which I didn't know that we're doing it, but they're doing like a little competition, time trial competition. Whoever gets the fastest lap wins. I think top 3 winners. So I'm gonna go do time tap stuff. Woo! Race car. Okay, that is it for Midpond. I did my best in the little time attack challenge thing. I didn't win, of course. Cars hopping around too damn much for me to get a decent lap time. But I was towards the front, so not too bad for a fit. But this was a lot of fun, really fun track. It is super bumpy, uneven. I think it would have been a lot better if I kept the old suspension on for this track, considering how bumpy it is. This suspension is just way too stiff. But still had fun. Definitely wore out some tires, so I'm gonna have to order some more of those. Had to do some ride-alongs. Hey, I'm back home. The paddock was a little loud. Plus I had like a 4-hour drive. Plan is I'm going to order new springs for the wheel. I'm going to order some 12Ks. Right now I'm on 14Ks. So those should be on the way. It should help a little bit. The rear end's super stiff. I had the dampening always soft and it still just wanted to bounce around corners. Really slow me down a good bit. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I could have shaved a second or two off my fast times if I wasn't to be just jostling around in the wheel. But I still had fun, had a good time. Can't wait to go back. Maybe I'll take this till next time. Might be a little fun. Track might be a little too short for what power it has, but might be fun. And I hope you liked this video. If you like the kind of behind view cam setup, let me know. If you don't like it, if you prefer the traditional inside GoPro style cam, let me know which one you kind of prefer. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and do me a favor and subscribe. Really helps me out. And hope to see you next time. Peace out.